9 Weight Loss Tips, How to Lose Weight Fast. Here are 9 more tips to lose weight faster. One, eat a high-protein breakfast. Eating a high-protein breakfast could help reduce cravings and calorie intake throughout the day. 2. Avoid sugary drinks and fruit juice. Empty calories from sugar aren't useful to your body and can hinder weight loss. 3. Drink water before meals. One study showed that drinking water before meals reduced calorie intake and may be effective in weight management. 4. Choose weight loss-friendly foods. Some foods are better for weight loss than others. Here is a list of healthy weight loss-friendly foods. 5. Eat soluble fiber. Studies show that soluble fibers may promote weight loss. Fiber supplements like glucosamine can also help. 6. Drink coffee or tea. Caffeine consumption can boost your metabolism. 7. Base your diet on whole foods. They're healthier, more filling, and much less likely to cause overeating than processed foods. 8. Eat slowly. Eating quickly can lead to weight gain over time, while eating slowly makes you feel more full and boosts weight-reducing hormones. 9. Get good quality sleep. Sleep is important for many reasons, and poor sleep is one of the biggest risk factors for weight gain. For more tips on weight loss, read about natural tips for losing weight here. Eating whole foods, higher protein, soluble fiber, and less sugar can help you lose more weight. Don't forget to get a good night's sleep, too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.